Hey guys, this is Aaron Tyler down here in Tampa, Florida, and today you're on this page because more than likely you opted into one of my capture pages. Now, what I want to talk to you today is about a system that's changed my lives, and it has changed and is changing the lives of thousands of others right now as we speak. Now, let me just give you a little bit of background on myself. Back about 3 years ago, I came into the world of internet marketing, and in this world of internet marketing, I decided to get my own business, and I ran into a problem. The problem was not that I didn't know how to run the business because I had done my homework. The problem was using all the components that I had to be able to go get them from different places, and this became very, very expensive for me to go get them from various places that I had to go get them from, and I was running out of money because I was spending more money than I was actually making, until one day I discovered this system that allowed me to use all these tools that I needed to use in one place. So I could go for one very, very low price, starting off with free, using these products in order to promote my business all in the same place, instead of getting one here, one here, one here, one here, and trying to put them all together after my money was all spent up. Had no money left over for advertising or whatever else I may have needed it for. But anyways, moving right along with the story, after I discovered this system, which I'm about to share with you very briefly and get your feet wet with it, it took me to the next level, and it's created 6 and 7 figure earners. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you on my screen exactly how you can use this system yourself. And this is going to be a meat and potatoes video. It's not going to be one of those videos where I just show you the success stories. I'm going to actually show you how we use this system and what this system has and what you'll be getting, and how you can tie this all together to make a very substantial income and change your life. Okay, so moving right along, this system is called Lead System Network, and Lead System Network, LSN, is what we use to shorten that name. LSN stands for Lead System Network. So anyways, moving right along, you have your own capture page. Now, you know as well as I know, and if you don't know, I'll let you know, that in any business you need leads. You need to be able to capture those leads, and you can very easily do that online with a capture page, which I'm going to show you how to make here, and it's only going to take me about roughly a minute, somewhere between 30 seconds to 2 minutes to make. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and I'll simply just pick one of these that I like, one of these templates I like, and I'll just go down here and I will save my selection. Next, I'll go ahead and I'll pick a catchy phrase that they already have put together. Now, keep in mind, you can actually use your own templates if you're advanced and you need to, and you can use your own catchy phrases. But if you don't have that technology or the time, or you just don't feel like doing it, feel free to go ahead and use one of these. And you can use this to promote any business, including this business, which makes a substantial amount of money in itself. Okay, now, so I have that selected. I go on down here, I save my selection. I go on down here, everything looks good the way it is. I'll just go ahead and maybe just make this a little bit smaller. Go ahead and proceed. Then I'll go down here and I'll choose my fields that I want. You can do first name, last name, phone number, address, city, state, zip, best time to call, but for now I'll just do the first name and the email. Okay, then you can come down here and you can pick one of these call to action buttons. I'll just go ahead and I'll pick get access. Okay, then I'll come on down here and I'll proceed. Okay, then I'll come on down here and I'll choose a tagline. Don't delay, limited time offer, sounds good. And voila, save and view my page, and ladies and gentlemen, we have a capture page in less than 2 minutes. Okay, now what this is going to do is capture the person's information, okay, whether it be off Facebook or a lot of the various other ways that you'll be taught to market, because we do have a lot of support here to help you out. So I'll just go back, before I get into that, I'll go back and I'll just show you real quick back to the Marketing Hub. It's very easy to navigate through this system. Okay, we'll go back to the Marketing Hub, And once we're back at the Marketing Hub, there's even more that we can do with this system, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we have a sales page wizard where you can create a sales page for this or any other opportunity or business that you choose to do. If you have a barbecue stand, you can create a sales page for that and capture people's information. Okay, so once you do the sales page and capture their information, do the capture page. Next, you can use the email autoresponder to send out your newsletter or send out your autoresponder letters that you can already have put in here like I do. So if anyone is already familiar with this information, you're feeling exactly where I'm going with this. If you're not, you're still feeling where I'm going with it, because you can see just like a 2-year-old how easy this can be done. Okay, let me share the rest of this information with you. So we'll go back to our Marketing Hub, as you can see, and another cool thing that you can do with this is you can send out a text broadcast to everyone's cell phone. As you know, as well as I do, that text message has a tendency to reach people even over an email. So people use text messages all day long. Google Hangout, we have a Google Hangout, so you can talk to your clients, customers, or your team without having to worry about setting up a Google Hangout and sending out any kind of complicated code. We also have a webinar where you can give a webinar to all your team or all your prospects and show them pieces of your screen and share exactly what you have going on, whatever that may be, whether it's this opportunity or any other opportunity. Okay, moving right along, we still have more. There's a live chat where you can imagine someone coming to your website and they have a question and they can chat with you live and direct right on your website, and you can answer any questions that they may have. Okay, you see the beauty of that live chat. But there's even more. We have where you can go to a third-party autoresponder and hook this whole thing up. If you already have an autoresponder that you want to use, you can go directly there and hook everything up to that one. Okay. There's even a email broadcast where you can send out an instant broadcast to your email list. There's even a voice broadcast where you can do voice broadcasting. And now what I'm getting ready to show you next is basically the heart of your business would be the blog. Okay, we have a professional blog where you can go, and it's made very easy for you to do blog posts, and you can simply just post whatever you want to post on your blog, and that's where you can drive your traffic from your email to. So if any of this sounds kind of crazy to you, don't worry about that. All you need to do is just know that there's tons of support, including myself and tons of others throughout this industry that are going to help you. And lastly, before I forget, we do have on one of our levels a easy mobile app creator, okay, where you can just imagine yourself creating your own app and either selling it or giving it to your team. Okay, so easy mobile app creator. Okay, so what you need to do is somewhere on this page, wherever you're at, there's a link, should be either below or on the side, to give you access to this system. Now what you need to do is click on that link and go to the system and go to create a free account. Okay, once you create this free account, what I'm going to do for you today is I'm going to enter you into our members Facebook group, okay, where you'll get all types of training, where you'll get all types of support and some training that you can get just to show you how this system is all put together and explain everything. You'll get questions answered hands-on. Now once you upgrade as a basic member at the $30 level, what I'll do for you is enter you into our paid members group where all the meat and potatoes is at. Okay, in this paid members group we have what's called a 90-day boot camp challenge, and in this 90-day boot camp challenge we give you day per day. Right now this is day 29, but you'll have access to all the days, all 90 days. You'll start with day 1. You'll do the first step, second step, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, or however many steps are in that day. So we give you a plan to follow. So ladies and gentlemen, very, very simple and easy. You have all the support. Just the training alone that you get out of this program is well worth it. So go ahead and click on the link. Go ahead to the next page. Create your free account, ladies and gentlemen, and I will see you on the inside. Once again, this is Aaron Tyler signing off for now. See you on the inside, ladies and gentlemen.